Lemon is one of the most popular and versatile citrus fruits, and baking soda is a chemical compound also known as sodium bicarbonate. The combination of baking soda and lemon juice has a number of health benefits, including the ability to detoxify the body, balance pH levels, improve digestion, and help prevent chronic disease. Let's start. Protects kidney health. Sodium bicarbonate can help people whose kidneys can no longer remove enough acid from their blood. Lemon juice has been shown to prevent kidney stones. It contains citrate, which is a chemical that prevents calcium stones from forming. Citrate can also break up small stones, allowing them to pass more easily. Burns fat. Rich in vitamin C and antioxidants, lemons are dieters' favorite owing to its powerful fat-burning properties. So, when you combine baking soda with lemons, it will definitely boost your fat burning and aid in weight loss. Improves digestion. The combination of baking soda and lemon juice acts as a wonderful antacid and is known to quickly reduce symptoms of indigestion, bloating, cramping, and heartburn. By preventing inflammation in the gut, which is a critical element of the immune system, lemon juice and baking soda can significantly boost the health of your gut. It can increase gym performance. According to a study published by the European Journal of Applied Physiology, athletes who consumed baking soda 60 minutes prior to their performance did better with less muscle fatigue as compared to those who consumed a placebo before the performance. How to prepare? It's very easy to prepare. Just pour a glass of water, not too hot or cold. Add a teaspoon of baking soda and the freshly squeezed juice of half a lemon. Mix the mixture well and drink it in the morning, preferably on an empty stomach. The alkaline effect of this drink is powerful, so take it for about 2 weeks. Then take a break for the next 2. However, that being said, it is important to speak to your doctor or a medical professional before adding baking soda to your health regimen. They can assess whether home treatment is right for you or if it could lead to additional complications. Some other uses of lemon and baking soda. Clean and unclog drains. Baking soda is a wonderful natural drain cleaner. It is perfect to unclog any drain without much effort. You can use baking soda mixed with apple cider vinegar to clean your pipes. Whiten your teeth. Baking soda can also help to whiten your teeth. Create a paste by mixing 1 teaspoon baking soda with some lemon juice. Apply the baking soda paste to your teeth and let it sit for about 5 minutes. Then rinse with warm water. Do not use this solution daily. Instead, use it once a week only. Deodorize your refrigerator. If you've noticed your fridge smells a bit off, place an open box or container of baking soda in it to eliminate the stench. Baking soda can absorb odor molecules from the air to help neutralize the odors that can collect in your refrigerator. An amazing exfoliator. Baking soda is an excellent skin exfoliator. It is mildly abrasive in nature that helps remove the dead skin cells and allow new cell production, further giving a glow to the skin. All you need to do is to mix baking soda with lemon juice. Apply it on your face in a circular motion, and then rinse it off with water.